everyone, it's James.
And Stephanie, and we are at the Florida RV Super Show
2025, and looky what we found.
Yes.
We found the new Revel Sport 44C. This is a new floor plan.
It is. Can you believe the Revel has been around 8 years already?
Yeah.
And we're finally seeing a new floor plan option.
Yeah, it is this side-facing sofa, and
Yes.
it opens up. You just have to kind of sit in it to believe it. It opens it up so much. You're facing right at the giant open
You get
door.
great views outside. I know a bunch of owners had already been modding this, doing this, and now you can get it from Winnebago like this. So it's pretty cool.
Fantastic, long overdue, I think, mod and change to the floor plan.
But there's a few other changes with this Revel Sport too. And first you get this cubby over here, and hey, storage in all RVs is so precious, especially the small ones. And I don't know, you can get like maybe your iPad over here,
iPads,
some
phones.
phones.
I don't know if that's big enough for a laptop.
You also get, there's a 12 volt.
There's
outlet,
charging ports,
charging
USB,
ports.
etc.
Yeah.
Right up there. So that's, again, part of this 44C floor plan. But that's not the only thing that's kind of new in this one. We've also got a new 5 kilowatt EcoFlow power system.
Right.
That's in the bag, so it's got a 48 volt battery. And one of the things that impressed me the most about that, taking a look at it, is how neat and clean. If you've ever opened up an RV, and I've opened up way too many, but if you've ever opened up an RV and seen like a rat's nest of wires, it's like museum quality wiring back there.
Yeah, and I know there was a
EcoFlow.
fan in the middle, and the fan was keeping that
Keep the area cool.
and-
It's very well designed, very
Yes.
clean, and it would be easy to mod if you wanted to add like extra battery or something like that, because it's so clean, easy to service on the road. Like I would trust even a novice RV tech to be able to unplug and replug things if something went wrong.
Well, and I like how accessible it was, because you can just pop off that cover and there it is. It's right there.
So now also they've upgraded to a smart plug on this.
Yes.
So I don't know if you look way back. I've done a video on the smart plug,
Right.
and I was able to show that it actually heats up less when you're putting a lot of amps through it. It's a safer, easier connection.
Yeah.
It positively latches in there. There are these little grippy clamps on there. It latches in. It's waterproof.
Yeah.
I've converted all of our RVs to smart plugs. I think it's a way better plug-in solution.
we liked seeing that they had made that upgrade too.
Yeah. Now, and also they've upgraded it to Merlin solar panels on the roof.
Right.
It's roughly the same capacity as
I think
as
it's
it was
210 watts on this one.
But the panels are supposed to be more durable. They're supposed to be wired in such a way that, like, if a leaf falls on the solar panels, that doesn't
It doesn't affect
knock
your
out the whole
solar.
panel.
Right.
And then there's other things here in this Revel Sport, like it's got a Timberline system. And
Yeah, we love our Timberline. We modded our Echo to have the Timberline system, so we're very familiar with that. And that means this is a single fuel rig, and I love that. You fill up the tank, and that's all you have to do. You're not filling with propane. It's great.
Now, in this case, of course, that's a diesel Timberline, and ours
Right.
is gasoline.
Yes.
But still, it's a one fuel option, so you don't have to worry about finding propane on the road. It's a lot easier. And then, just in general, I mean, we've reviewed Revels before.
It definitely has the Revel feel. It's ready to go off-road. It's very, I don't know, is the word sporty, utilitarian inside?
Well, it's called the Revel Sport, so I hope it's sporty.
Yeah. And the other thing is the price point on these is pretty awesome. So it's definitely something to consider. If you're in the market for an adventure van, you definitely want to take a look at the Revel Sport.
The Revel Sport, and I think the way you would say that is it's still got the basic Revel DNA.
Yeah.
Like we've still got all those features, all those things that made the Revel such a great outdoor gear hauling adventure wagon.
Absolutely. And you've got views for days.
So if you're coming to the show, or if you can catch it at your dealer, absolutely come and check out the new 44C floor plan. I feel like we could walk past each other.
We could.
I don't want to be cliche, but it's a game changer. All right.
If you have any questions or comments, we will put a link down in the description. You can come over to the Fit RV website, ask your questions. We're happy to answer any of them.
All right. That'll do it for now. Out to the show.
Bye guys.